Hey, it is Rue. Today we are making the Greyhound. It's a very simple drink. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's go. To make this drink, we're going to grab these ingredients. You're going to need vodka. I have here grapefruit flavor vodka, but if you have regular vodka, you can use that for this drink. And what's also good is gin. So vodka or gin for this drink, but what we're gonna do is use vodka. And the second ingredient is grapefruit juice. If you have fresh grapefruit, you could also use that. 2 items. Now, let's go grab our tools. Ice, a Collins glass, a jigger, and a spoon straw. First step, grab your ice and your glass. Fill ice to the top. Now take your vodka, open the bottle, grab your jigger, and what we're going to do is we're going to pour 1.5 ounces of vodka into the glass. Grab your grapefruit juice. I like to shake the bottle here. Open it. You can pour the grapefruit juice in your cup. Maybe fill it up this high. If you want to measure, you can measure with a jigger. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour 3 ounces of grapefruit juice into the glass. And the last step is to take your bar spoon here and stir the drink. And there you go, my friends. Greyhound. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.